Hey everyone! Welcome back to another video. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Kali Linux and exploring a tool that's often shrouded in mystery, Morpheus. Now, before we get started, I want to be crystal clear. We're using Morpheus strictly for ethical purposes, like penetration testing and vulnerability assessment. This tool is incredibly powerful, but with great power comes great responsibility. Let's get started. So, what exactly is Morpheus? In essence, it's a highly advanced toolset designed to manipulate and modify system memory. It's like having a microscope for your computer's RAM. Think of it as a digital surgeon capable of extracting, injecting, and patching memory contents on the fly. Core functionalities: memory dumping, capturing a snapshot of the system's memory. Process injection, injecting code into running processes. Patching, modifying existing code within memory. Hooking, intercepting function calls to change their behavior. Now, let's talk about why Morpheus is a valuable tool for ethical hackers. Identifying vulnerabilities. By inspecting memory, you can often find weaknesses that aren't detectable by traditional methods. Bypassing protections. Sometimes defenses can be circumvented by manipulating memory. Privilege escalation, gaining higher access levels within a system. Understanding malware behavior. By analyzing the malware's memory footprint, you can learn how it operates. Developing countermeasures. Identifying techniques used by malware can help in creating defenses. Morpheus offers a wealth of advanced capabilities. Let's explore some of them. Extracting artifacts from memory for investigation purposes. Interacting with the system's kernel for deeper analysis. Identifying hidden processes and malicious code in memory. Remember, while Morpheus is a powerful tool, it's crucial to use it responsibly. Adhere to local laws and regulations regarding hacking and penetration testing. Obtain proper authorization before testing any system. Respect system integrity. Avoid causing damage or disruption. Use the tool for educational and research purposes. So there you have it. Morpheus is an incredibly versatile tool with a wide range of applications in the ethical hacking world. By understanding its capabilities and using it responsibly, you can become a more skilled and effective security professional. Remember, always prioritize ethical hacking and respect system ownership. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to leave your comments and questions below.